Back to my channel. I wanted to share my tips on postpartum shedding and what helped me get through it. I started to experience postpartum shedding when my daughter was 3 months old, and it lasted till she was about 5 months old. My first tip is stay encouraged. I came up with an affirmation for myself and my hair that brought me comfort when I was kind of frustrated when my hair started to shed. I would tell myself when I would be washing my hair, love yourself, love your hair through this process. You are a goddess. You just gave birth. Give your body time to heal. Be in the mood to do your hair. I picked a specific day to do my hair. I do my hair every Sunday. So this helped me to plan it out mentally that I need to detangle, wash, and style my hair. My third tip is detangle in small sections. I would detangle my hair in 6 to 8 sections or more. I would finger detangle first, then I would go in with a wide tooth comb, and I would just make sure that my hair was properly detangled, making sure I get all the trapped hair out. This helped me track how much hair I was shedding. My fourth tip is protective styling. So this is going to be a personal preference. I chose to do low manipulation styles, braid outs and twist outs. This helped me keep my hair detangled longer and kind of let it be. I learned that wash and goes were not the right style during this time. My hair would get tangled faster. It would be more drier. It would just make it worse on wash day. So with me wearing braid outs and twist outs, I could wear a headscarf for most of the week, and then I could just take out my hair before wash day, and it would just make it easier for my hair to be detangled and still moisturized. My fifth tip is nutrition. I was still taking my prenatal vitamins at the time. I would advise it to check with your doctor. I also was drinking a lot of water. I was eating more of a plant-based diet. And I was trying to minimize stress as much as possible, being a new mom, asking for help if I needed it. Find a hair routine. So every Sunday I would detangle, wash, deep condition, or do a protein treatment, do my aloe vera rinse or my oil rinse, and style. This really helped my hair be more manageable, and I had more of a routine to take care of it. Number 7, my last tip, invest in your hair. I started with a small stash. I researched products before I even bought them. I just really wanted to make sure the ingredients were good for me to put on my hair and on my scalp. Before you go, leave me some comments down below. What helped you cope with postpartum shedding? And I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in my next upload. Bye!